Ferdi, my partner.
My name is Andali.
Today we are going to explore unique tourist area that has two different views in one place. At the top we have Bromo Mini, and the bottom we will find Danaubil. This place is located about 43 minutes from Gangpo City, and the best part is it is free to visit. So, if you are looking for simple and relaxing trip, this is a great choice. Alright, let's start our journey from the top. Alright, now we are at Bromo Mini. This place used to be an area, meaning island. So the land looks unique with hills, sun, and wide open space. You can see the landscape is quite different from other places.
Oh, that's why it looks similar to Bromo, right?
Yes, that's right. That's why this place is called Bromo Mini. This place also become popular on social media because of its unique view. Many visitors come here to enjoy this scenery and take photos.
Wow, the view is really nice from here. We can also see the lake below. This looks very interesting from the boat. Alright, now let's go to Danaubil.
We arrived at Danaubil. This lake also comes from a Mini area. The water looked blue because of light reflection. That way it looked very unique and fancy.
This looks very beautiful, but it's safe to swim here.
Actually, it is not safe. The lake is with depth, so it is not recommended to swim here. But many people come here to take photo and enjoy the view.
Alright, everyone, that's all for today. We have seen Bromo Mini at the top and Danaubil at the bottom. I hope you enjoyed this short trip. To get here, you can use a motorcycle or a car, and the road is quite accessible. Thank you for your invitation and have a nice day.
Yes, welcome.